Hello, my friend. So I will introduce the Senang Side box, and it's the flight. And later I will show you how to measure it and how to install it. It's very easy to install. And later, this is a measure. We need the button, the nose of the button, and the top, and the width of the top, and the button, and the height. Next is another style, and it's the same install. And for this one, it's also the Senang Side box. And for this part, it also can put them together. It can help the box be more stable. And for this box, we need the measurement of the nose, width, and the height.